Embark on a journey into the vibrant world of freshwater aquariums with the Calico Ryukin Goldfish, a stunning and distinctive aquatic companion known for its captivating coloration and unique body shape. Recognized by its high curved back and a kaleidoscope of colors, the Calico Ryukin is a mesmerizing addition to any aquarium. Originally bred in the Ryukyu Islands of Japan, the Calico Ryukin Goldfish represents the culmination of centuries of selective breeding. Its unique body shape and stunning coloration make it a testament to the artistry and dedication of fish breeders in creating a fish that stands out in the world of ornamental fish keeping. The Calico Ryukin is characterized by its distinctive high arched back and broad, deep body. Its flowing tail fins add to its graceful appearance, creating a silhouette that is both regal and captivating. The calico pattern is a mosaic of colors that varies from fish to fish, makes each Calico Ryukin a unique and living masterpiece. Calico Ryukin goldfish thrive in well-maintained aquariums with ample space for swimming. The water temperature should be kept within a suitable range, and a balanced diet contributes to their overall health. Regular water changes and proper filtration are essential for maintaining optimum water quality, ensuring a thriving environment for these aquatic beauties. Calico Ryukin goldfish can be housed with smooth decorations and non-aggressive tank mates. While they may nibble on live plants, providing suitable hiding spots and open swimming areas enhances their comfort. Care should be taken to avoid tank mates that may compete for food or exhibit aggressive behavior. In conclusion, the Calico Ryukin goldfish stands as a living work of art in the world of ornamental fish keeping. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of aquatic life. Until next time, may your aquariums be filled with beauty, and may the Calico Ryukin swim into your hearts. Farewell and happy fish keeping.